Okay. Good. Good throw. Fendi?
She's not doing it being touched.
Okay, here she is.
This sounds really cool.
Here, see if she wants it.
Wow. She really do like it.
Yeah, silly girl. She doesn't know that we tap and that means come for carrots.
Oh. Let me see it. With those good taps.
These are very good taps. Here, baby girl. She's very asleep. Here, we'll give her a carrot.